ZENITH Chronomaster Original. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. The ZENITH Chronomaster Original transcends mere timekeeping, becoming a meticulously crafted homage to a legendary past. This 38mm masterpiece, forged from gleaming steel, captures the essence of the iconic A386 chronograph while incorporating contemporary features and materials, resulting in a timepiece that exudes timeless elegance and unwavering performance. A legacy reflected in design. The heart of the Chronomaster Original's allure lies in its faithful adherence to the classic A386 design. The captivating matte white dial with its tricolor subdials, instantly recognizable to watch enthusiasts, transports you back to an era of vintage racing glory. This nostalgic touch is beautifully balanced by the contemporary appeal of the polished steel case, meticulously crafted with the same proportions as its historical predecessor. The result is a watch that seamlessly blends heritage with modernity, striking a perfect chord between nostalgia and innovation. Precision at its core, beyond its captivating aesthetics, the Chronomaster Original boasts unparalleled functionality. This marvel of engineering houses the Primero 3600, the latest evolution of Zenith's legendary high-frequency chronograph movement. Operating at an impressive 36,000 vibrations per hour, 5 Hz, it delivers exceptional precision you can trust. Witness the smooth sweep of the central chronograph hand as it completes one revolution every 10 seconds, measuring elapsed time to an astounding 1/10 of a second. This feat of engineering is not just visually captivating, but also functionally superior, ensuring you can confidently tackle any occasion requiring precise timekeeping. Crafted for enduring excellence, the ZENITH Chronomaster Original is not just a beautiful object, it's built to withstand the test of time. The robust steel case and the accompanying metal bracelet exude a sense of solidity and permanence. While the design evokes a vintage spirit, the materials boast contemporary durability, ensuring the watch remains a cherished companion for years to come. Its 5 ATM water resistance rating allows you to wear it with confidence for everyday activities, knowing it can handle even unexpected splashes. A statement of discerning taste, owning a ZENITH Chronomaster Original is more than just possessing a timepiece. It's a declaration of discerning taste and an appreciation for watchmaking heritage. This watch is a conversation starter, a symbol of achievement, and a timeless heirloom to be passed down through generations. It doesn't simply tell time, it embodies a legacy of innovation, precision, and refined craftsmanship. Embrace the legacy, define your time. The ZENITH Chronomaster Original is more than just a watch, it's an experience. It's an invitation to connect with a rich history of watchmaking excellence, to appreciate the beauty of meticulous craftsmanship, and to possess a piece of design that transcends generations. It's a fusion of vintage charm and modern performance, a statement of sophistication and precision that sets you apart. Thank you for watching. Please write in the comments what you like about this model and what you don't. Your opinion is important to us.